In this video, we are going to see how we can measure a land area in Google Maps. So what we can do is, let's say that we want to measure the land area from this specific location. Just tap on it until it pins this and click on measure distance on it. And after that, you can place it anywhere you want. Let's say you want to see the distance just around the corner with other plot, and this is approximately of 97 yards. As you can see down here, you can add a plus and then you can add some further calculations. Plus you want to see the distance from this point to this point and then back to this point. So this is an overall land area that is calculated. You can point it in any direction like this. And after that, whenever you want to, let's say, undo any distance, you just press undo at the top right hand corner and you should be able to see the exact measurement from point A to point B. Also, if you want to clear it altogether, just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and click on clear. And if you want to totally exit from it, click on close, close, and you are back on the main maps. But we have seen something here that if I start measurement from here, let's say measure distance, from point A to point B, it shows the correct measurement, that let's say 39 yards. But when we add it and we start moving towards left, it shows that point, and then we go back to the other location. So it shows total of 142 yards, 148 yards, and click back, and that is showing all the distance. But let's say that you want to also do it on Google Earth. You can do that in a similar way. Let's explore the Earth. You can zoom through any location. Let's say this one. Obviously it can take a lot of time to clear that. So let's pick a random spot and let's say that I want to measure from this point to this point. So the method is similar. You just hold and drop a pin and click on measure and you get to different points. It will mark through all of those points. You click on add point, move to the next point, then move to the third one, add point, and you move to the fourth one. Close the shape and we are good to go. But in Google Maps, it doesn't show it as filled box, whereas in Google Earth, it shows you a different kind of measurement and plots it as a filled box. So click on 3D and you should be able to see a 3D version of it as well. So that's how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.